If your organization is using QlikView for data visualization and analysis, then safeguarding QlikView access is very essential because it holds sensitive data of your organization. If the QlikView accounts get hacked by malicious actors, then they can use this sensitive data against your company, which can cost your organization billions of dollars. The miniOrange single sign-on and multi-factor authentication provides the perfect security solution to secure your organization's QlikView accounts and also enhance workforce productivity at the same time. miniOrange QlikView SSO is a single sign-on solution that seamlessly integrates with QlikView to simplify the login process for users. Whether it's for QlikView server or desktop via Azure AD for QlikView, the miniOrange solution got you covered. Without SSO, users have to manually enter their credentials each time they log into their QlikView accounts, wasting valuable time that could be spent analyzing data. But with the miniOrange SSO solution for QlikView, users can use a single set of credentials to log into multiple apps along with QlikView. Our solution uses the header-based authentication method, which involves the installation of a reverse proxy in front of the web server for QlikView. This means that unauthenticated users are redirected to their configured identity provider for single sign-on. Once the user is authenticated, miniOrange sets the QVuser HTTP header for each request to QlikView, which allows the user to log into QlikView using their identity provider or IDP credentials. Your IDP can be miniOrange, or your existing IDP can also be configured with the miniOrange solution. Compared to other similar solutions in the market, miniOrange provides a complete on-premise deployment solution that perfectly integrates with your existing Active Directory or AD to enable SSO with AD credentials. Also, there are on-premise and cloud hybrid deployment options available. To further enhance security, you can implement MFA on top of SSO authentication. miniOrange MFA, or Multi-Factor Authentication, adds an extra layer of security to secure your QlikView accounts and data. miniOrange MFA solution provides 15+ MFA methods like Google Authenticators, OTP over SMS or email, soft tokens, and more to ensure robust security, more flexibility, and ensure compliance with different regulations. Don't let login credentials and security threats slow you down. Try the QlikView SSO and MFA solution from miniOrange today and focus on what really matters, your data. If you still have doubts, you can leverage our 30-day free trial with a POC to see how our solution works for your organization.